We are to solve this problem for x. My strategy is to leave the letter x on the left-hand side and take all other. The first thing I might do, since the 8 is being subtracted, is to add 8 to both sides of the equation. On the left-hand side, subtract 8 and adding 8, and you do not need to write addition of 0. And on the right-hand side, you'd have 10 plus 8 is 18. Because the x is being multiplied by 2/3, one way to solve for x is to multiply by the reciprocal, which basically means to take the fraction and switch the numerator and denominator, so you would be multiplying by 3/2. If you multiply the left-hand side by 3/2, you must multiply the right-hand side by 3/2, and it may be helpful to think of 18 as a fraction as 18 over 1. Putting a 1 down there does not change the value of this expression. Over here you can argue that multiplying by 3 and dividing by 3 simplify out as 1, and multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2 simplify out as 1, or you can just think of it as 3/2 times 2/3 turns out to be the number 1, and rather than just writing 1 times x, we oftentimes just write the letter x without the number 1 there. Over here you can simplify by saying that 2 goes into 2 1 time, and that 2 goes into 18 9 times, in which case you'd have 9 times 3 is 27, and in the denominator of 1 times 1, so you'd be dividing by 1, but then you could argue 27 divided by 1 is nothing more than 27, so I get x equals 27 as the solution.